Join me as I dive deep into the ancient roots of chemical engineering and challenge myself to uncover secrets that have shaped this field for centuries. Chemical engineering, a field that has revolutionized the way we live, think, and interact with the world around us. From the production of life-saving medicines to the development of sustainable energy solutions, chemical engineering has been instrumental in shaping our modern world. But have you ever stopped to think about where it all began? About the ancient practices and innovations that laid the foundation for this fascinating field? The truth is, many of us tend to view chemical engineering as a modern invention, something that emerged in the last century or so. But the reality is that chemical engineering has a rich and storied history that spans thousands of years. From ancient metallurgists to early alchemists, there have been countless individuals who have contributed to the development of this field over the centuries. And yet, their contributions are often overlooked or forgotten in favor of more modern advancements. This oversight is not only a disservice to these pioneers, but it also neglects the important role that they played in shaping the course of human history. By recognizing and celebrating their achievements, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complex and often winding path that has led us to where we are today. So let's take a step back and explore the historical foundations of chemical engineering, and uncover the secrets that have been hiding in plain sight for centuries. As we delve into the history books, we find that ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians and Greeks were among the first to develop early forms of chemical engineering. From the production of metals and dyes to the development of agricultural practices and medical treatments, these ancient innovators were masters of manipulating the physical and chemical properties of materials to create new and innovative products. And yet, despite their significant contributions, these early pioneers are often relegated to the footnotes of history. Take, for example, the ancient Egyptians, who developed sophisticated metallurgical techniques that allowed them to craft intricate gold jewelry and ornate ceremonial objects, or the ancient Greeks, who made groundbreaking discoveries in the fields of medicine and agriculture. These innovations may seem simple by modern standards, but they represent a fundamental understanding of the underlying principles of chemical engineering. One of the most fascinating aspects of ancient chemical engineering is the development of early technologies that were often born out of necessity and curiosity. Take, for instance, the creation of soap, which dates back to ancient Babylon around 2800 BCE. The process of mixing animal fat with plant ashes to create a crude form of soap was a major breakthrough, and one that would have a lasting impact on human hygiene and public health. Another ancient technique that showcases the ingenuity of early chemical processes is fermentation. From the production of beer and wine to the creation of bread and cheese, fermentation was a vital technology that allowed ancient civilizations to preserve food and create new culinary delights. And yet, despite its widespread use, the science behind fermentation remained a mystery for centuries, with many ancient cultures believing that it was the work of divine intervention rather than human ingenuity. As we fast forward to the present day, we can see the direct influence of these ancient practices on contemporary chemical engineering. From the development of new materials and technologies to the creation of sustainable energy solutions, the connection between past and present is clear. By recognizing and celebrating this connection, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complex and fascinating history of chemical engineering. In conclusion, the ancient roots of chemical engineering are a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. From the development of early metallurgical techniques to the creation of soap and fermentation, these ancient innovators have left an indelible mark on the course of human history. So, what's your favorite ancient invention? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos on engineering history for more fascinating stories and discoveries.